today I'm going to show you how to fix Ethernet not working in Windows 10. So let's get right into this. So if you have an Ethernet cable connected to your Windows device or your desktop or laptop, whatever, and it's a Windows 10 device, I'm going to show you what to do to essentially fix this possible issue of it not working. Now, outside of the obvious of you actually trying to change the Ethernet cables, you'd be surprised. The problem could be the Ethernet cable itself or just taking it out and putting it back in. I'm going to show you what you can do from the Windows itself, from your desktop itself, on how to fix this. The first thing is you want to go into something called connection settings. So, network connections. Let's see. I spelled network wrong, that's why. Right, we want to go to view network connections. You want this essentially pop up, and once you're here, you want to see where it says Ethernet. You want to right click into this, and you can try to disable it and then re-enable it and see if this works. If not, you want to press diagnose. This is going to essentially do like a troubleshooting for this to help possibly fix this issue, and kind of go from here. You can say give feedback on this troubleshooter, or try to like see, hopefully this fixes the diagnostic information from here via the troubleshooting itself, because there could be a problem, right? The next thing you want to do, if this doesn't work, you want to go back into the search bar and you want to write something called device manager, and you want essentially this that you see over here to pop up. So in here, you want to go over into a few things, and then you want to kind of see over here what to do to fix it. So you want to go to where it says network adapters and essentially find the mini port ones, because it's one of these mini ports, right? It's most likely either IP or IPv6, but you can try all of them. And essentially right click into them and then do update drivers. You're fine with doing it to all of them if you want to, essentially. Once you do this, you should be able to hopefully get this error fixed. You could also uninstall for all of them, then turn on the computer. It'll just reinstall all of them, and that should also possibly fix your issue as well. You can also do scan for hardware changes again, but usually just doing the update usually ends up fixing it. So like here, IPv as an example, you do update driver, you can search for the drivers automatically, and then kind of go from there, and then you'll see it'll be say automatically installed or not. That's why I said uninstalling them, restarting your computer will automatically reinstall them as well, so you can make it go down that route as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. More than you guys have. If you guys are willing to do, please smash that like button. Guys, new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with that notification bell.